Hey everybody, I just wanted to welcome you to my camper. It's the first time I've ever been camping at a campground in a camper. It's kind of profound. Anyway, I'm having a great time, and I'm here at Verrell Campground in Concord, North Carolina. I'm here for 5 days. I'm almost ready to finish up the 5 days, so I figured I'd check in and let you know what I thought about the place. This is my first time, and I may not have any specific order for what I go through things in. However, if I've missed anything or you'd like to hear something different, please send comments. I'd love to hear. Follow me on my Instagram also. To start out with, kids, there's a lot of kids here, but there's no playground here. There doesn't seem to be a lot of activities other than the kids playing with kids. It's a safe area, everything seems fine, but there's a campground about 5 minutes away. Also something that's extremely close, just right across the street from the Charlotte Motor Speedway. So once this is in season, this is gonna fill up very, very quickly. For pets, they are pet friendly, but they don't allow any pets, any dogs over 30 pounds. They also have to be leashed when they're out, and make sure you pick up after them when they're out on the grass and such. There is a dog walk and a dog park about 5 or 7 minutes from here, I was told by the owner. So that's a nice place to take them. I haven't been there, so I can't really comment on it, but it does exist. The basic hookups here, electricity, water, I had no problems. As a matter of fact, I had no power surges with the electricity, and I had no problem with the pressure in either direction with the water. There's no store, but there are tons of places to go to. Anything that you need within 10 minutes. I mean, literally. There's the restaurants of all different kinds. I've done a couple reviews on them. There's lots of stuff to do, lots of stuff to see, and anything that you'd need at the store, very close, and I can attest to that. Since this is off season, it's actually very quiet around here. I hear the kids playing sometimes, hear the cars go by sometimes, but other than that, it's not bad. As you saw in the video, everything is flat. It's grass and sand. I found it easy to put my camper on and get it set up. So with that being said, there's not much in the way of shade either, which again is okay. So if you're gonna come here and be here for any length of time, make sure that you have some shade, either maybe an awning on the front or maybe a separate tent on the side. I have to say that the place is extremely clean. They're always picking up. I also see them spraying so that there's no red ant hills. I've seen no problems with bugs, very few mosquitoes at night. So that's been pretty good. The owners and the staff definitely went out of their way to help me out, especially as a first-time person, first-time camper. They were able to show me some things, and their patience was wonderful, and they've just been really, really good. So I've got nothing but good to say about the owners and the staff. There are security cameras on the poles, and there is light on the poles. They're not pointed at any particular campsite or anything else. They're mostly on any vehicles entering and exiting here. There's also a neighborhood watch. There's a sign when I came in. There was a neighborhood watch that goes around, and they make their rounds. And again, it's very quiet, and I feel very safe here. As far as phones, I can only vouch for Verizon. I use Verizon, and I haven't had any problem with signal, no drop calls, nothing. So that's been really good. They have long-term and short-term available for you. Just give a call and see what's available when you need. I guess in a nutshell, hey, if you found this helpful or you enjoyed watching this, I invite you to subscribe to my YouTube channel down below. I look forward to any feedback that you may have as well. Please, I welcome all positive feedback. I appreciate it. I'm going to keep on going. I got a lot of places to go, a lot of places to see, and I got a lot of places to share with you. So listen, until next time, down the road, stay well, stay safe, always stay odd.